Get my hand out of it.
Okay.
All right. All right, just stand back in. Yeah.
Oh man, this thing's awesome. How much is this one now?
This was 99.
We got a new video.
If you push these buttons, what it is this is auto takeoff. And you see this trigger finger?
Yeah.
Now it puts it into forward
Oh,
mode.
I see. Okay, cool, man. I like this one. This is like flying a plane now.
Yeah.
It's like the bat wing.
See how the wind, see how I got the heavy wind? I'm going into the heavy wind at twice and I watch my round out of it.
Whoa! Do that close flyby again, Al.
All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it now. It's gonna take off, and now it's set there. And it's right now it's in quad mode.
Okay.
No. I'm off of that, but I gotta stay focused. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reverse it around where I got the white on the bottom.
Okay. Whoa. Wait for a bird to attack it. Like a hawk or something. Can you go to the hover mode when you come up to me?